Welcome to GyaanStation, your ultimate destination for professional growth and financial mastery. We specialize in offering comprehensive online webinars and courses tailored for CA, CS, CWA, MBA, and other professionals. Whether you're looking to enhance your skills, stay updated with the latest industry trends, or take your career to the next level, our platform provides the tools and insights you need. What we offer: expert-led webinars. Gain insights from industry leaders through our interactive online webinars designed to address the most pressing challenges in your field. Online courses. Learn at your own pace with our structured courses covering a wide range of topics essential for professional success. Offline workshops. Participate in hands-on workshops that provide practical knowledge and real-world applications. Tailored content. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, our content is designed to meet your needs and help you excel in your career. Join our growing community of professionals dedicated to continuous learning and career advancement. Subscribe now and start your journey towards professional excellence.